to the shipyardmen, the men who build our ships, who labor by the river's brink on damp, unwholesome slips. There's little glory in their task and mighty few hoorays, for the men who do the giant's work don't get the giant's praise. There's finer rocks and neater crafts than building ocean tramps. There's cleaner jobs, I have no doubt, than screwing oily cranks. More healthy is the downtown shop, feet firm on Mother Earth, than rigging up a liner's mast, the elements in mirth. All honor to the shipyardmen, to men of all degree, who force respect from every flag which floats upon the sea. While earth is earth and sea is sea, and ships pass to and fro, the glory of our ancient craft the furthest sea shall know. To our shipyardmen, and may their tribe increase, with loyal hearts in time of war, with ready hands in peace, with muscles taut and brain alert, they heed not wind or rain, with one resolve, one earnest hope, our prestige to regain.